How are you all? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another special video for class 10 students. Few days back, I have uploaded a video which is related to the first chapter of your computer book, Internet and Browser. On that video, I have explained you regarding of Internet history and then how to connect Internet and which are the methods we are using for connection and all. All this I have discussed on that video. So if you didn't see that video, then you can easily see that by the suggestion box at the top of my finger. You can get the suggestion link, and from there you can easily see that video as well. So this is the second part of that video, means this is the second part of the chapter. So in this chapter we are going to discuss about how to sign in Google Chrome, and how to download a particular file from the internet, and how to open a website, and after opening, how to add it in a bookmark, and how to get the website back from the history tab. All this we will finalize in this video. So I hope that if you'll watch this video, it will really help you to understand all these things. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please share this video among your contacts and your neighbors, so that it will help me to grow. So let's start the video without wasting the time.
So students, at first we will see how to sign in Google Chrome. So for that we need to click here, and after clicking we need to go down and we need to click on add another account. After clicking on that, then we'll click to use another account, and then they will ask you to add your email ID. So I'm adding my email ID here, and then I'll click on next. After clicking on next, they will ask me to add my password as well. So now I'm uploading, or I am writing my password here. After writing my password here, I'll click on next. Then you can see easily to the right corner that my Google account, my Google ID has added here in Google Chrome. Now I'm showing you how to download a file from the internet. So I'm just writing a website address. After writing a website address, that website address has appeared to the screen. So I'll click on that. It is pagalworld.com, from where we can upload or we can download MP3s. Okay, so I'm just clicking a song here. After clicking on that song, it is showing us two links. One link is provided as 320 kilobyte per second MP3 file, whereas another one is still providing us 190 kilobyte per second. So I'm clicking on 190 kilobyte per second. So you can see the file is started to download, and it already has downloaded. So here you can see the music is going on. So that means that file has downloaded in your computer. So this is the process how to do that. Okay. So students, let us know how to open a website. Okay, so I'm just opening a website. So I'm just writing India landmark like that. I wrote here. After writing that, I clicked on search button, and then I will go for geography of India. Okay, so that particular page is opening now on my computer screen. So it is already opened here. So what I'll do, I'll click here, and then I'll click bookmark, and then I'll click on bookmark added option, and here I'll select bookmark bar. Okay, and then I'll click on done. Okay, after that I will click here again, and then I'll click for bookmark, and after that I will go for import bookmarks and setting. I'll click on that, and then it will ask me to import bookmark and setting. All these options I'll click together, and I'll click on import. So it is showing us tick mark. Then again I will click here, then I'll go bookmark, and after I go to the bookmark, I can see the website is already here added, geography of India. So I will click on that. So automatically that website will open again to my computer screen. So this is the process to add a bookmark and to reopen the bookmark website as well. So now I'm showing you how to go for history. So just select one of those, and you will see whatever you have whatever you have searched before, it is coming to your computer screen. So this is the process with which we can do.